With the short hand point to 6 and the long hand point to 12, it will be 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay, I write verse 6 in the hour place. While in the minute place, I write 0 and 0 because it points to 12. Here. The short hand point to 10 and the long hand point to 12. So it will be 10 o'clock. How can I write number 10 o'clock in the digital clock? I write first 10. Then here in the middle place, I put 0 and 0. Okay? Next one. Here. The long hand and the short hand point to 12. So it means it is 12 o'clock. How can I write number 12 o'clock? First, I write in the hour place 12. And in the middle place, I write 0 and 0. Next one. Here. The short hand point to 7 and the long hand point to 12. So it will be 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. How can I write number 7 o'clock? First here I write 0, 7. Then in the minute place I put the minute hand point to 12. So it will be here 0, 0. Here. The short hand point to 11, while the long hand point to 12. So it means the clock now is what? 11 o'clock. How do I write number 11 o'clock? In the hour place I put 11, and in the minute place it is o'clock, so I put 0, 0. Here lesson 103, write the number from 1 to 20 in each circle below. Decide how you will travel around the board. Draw arrows to each circle you visit and write the addition and subtraction problem next to each arrow. Okay? First, I write there 10. I want to travel from this circle to this circle. How I travel? I want to add 6. Okay? Okay, here I want to add 6. I stop at 10 in the 100 point chart. Then I move how many steps forward? 6 steps. So I stop at 10 and move 6 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I reach what? I reach 16. So I write in the next circle here 16. Okay? Next one. Here I want to travel to the circle. I want to subtract 4. When I want to subtract a number, I move backward or forward. When I want to subtract, I move backward. So I stop at 16. Here is 16. And move how many steps backward? I want to subtract 4, so I move 4 steps backward. Move 1, 2, 3, 4. I reach what? I reach 12, so I write there 12. Next one. I want to travel to this circle. I want to add 8 plus 8. So I stop at 12 and move how many steps forward? 8 steps forward. Here is 12. I move 8 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I reach what? 20. So I write there 20. Next one. Here I want to subtract 5. Okay? So I stop at 20 and move backward 5 steps. Why I move backward? Because I subtract. So I stop at 20 and move 5 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I reach what? 15. So I write there 15. Next one. I want to travel this circle. So I do what? I do plus. Plus what? Plus 1. Okay. So I stop at what? 15 and move 1 step forward. Here is 15. Move 1 step forward. It will be what? It will be 16. So I write there 16. Okay, next one. Here I want to travel to this circle. I want to subtract 9. Okay, so I stop at 16 and move 9 steps backward. Here is want to add 14. Okay? When I add 14, I do what? I move forward what in one's place and up what in one's place. So I stop at 6 and move 4 steps forward and only one step up. Here is 6. How many steps forward? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many steps up? Only one step up. It will be what? It will be 20, so I write 20. Lesson 103. Write down the FE notes your group used to make 67 pounds. We studied before that can I write number 67 in many ways, many different ways. Here I want to make banknote equal 67. Yes. So first banknote here I have is 50. Then I have another banknote equal 10. How many are those? 50 and 10 it will be 60. I want how many more? 7. So I don't have a banknote by 7 and E. So I write first one 5. Then they are 65. I want 2 and E. So I write 1, then 1. Here it will be 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 50 plus 10 equals 60 plus 5 equals 65 plus 1 equals 66. Then plus 1 equals 67. So it shows 67 pounds. Okay, next way, I want to show also 67. Okay, I draw here one banknote by 20. Then another banknote by 20. Then another banknote by 20. How many are those? 20 plus 20 equals 40 plus 20 equals 60. Now I have 60. I want how many more? I want 7. So I write here one banknote by 5 and E. Then here I have 65. I want 2 and E. I write 1, then 1. So the sum of those is 67 and E. Lesson 106. I had 60 and E. I spent 50 and E. How much change should I get? First, I do what? Subtraction operation or addition operation. Here I spend the money, so I do subtraction operation. I do the biggest number minus the smallest number. Which is the biggest number, 60 or 50? Yes, 60 is the biggest number, so I write first 60. Minus what? Minus 50. Okay, here I stop at the biggest number, which is 60. Then I move down. Why I move down? Because I do subtraction, so I move down and backward. I move how many steps backward? 0, because in one place I have 0. And how many steps down? I move 5 steps down. When I stop at 60 and move 5 steps down, it will be 10. 10 what? 10 and E. Lesson 107. Please have outline and complete the chore. First, I have 2 groups of poles. One is blue and the other is red. And I want to find the total number of poles I have in each one. Okay? Here I have 10 poles are red and 0 is blue. So how many poles I have now? I tell you I have 10 plus how many are blue? I have 4 pupils. So write them 1, 2, 3, 4. Count all of them together. 6 plus 4, it will give you 10. Next one. Here I have 5 poles are red and other 5 poles are blue. So when you add, I add here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are red and those are blue. Okay? Here I have 5 plus 5. Count all of them together, it will give me 10. Next one. Here I have 4 are red and 6 are blue. So I write there 1, 2, 3, 4 which are red. And down I write 6 which are blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So do 4 plus 6. Count all of them together, it will give you 10. Next one. Here I have 3 red and 7 are blue. Okay? So when I add, here I have 3 red. And how many blue poles? I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Count all of them together. Here I have 3 plus 7. Count all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the sum will be what? It will be 10. Next one. Here I have 2 poles are blue and 8 are red. Okay? When I count, here I have how many red poles? I have 2. 1, 2. And how many blue poles? I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here I have 2 plus 8. Count all of them together, it will give you 10. Last one, here I have only 1 red pole. And how many blue poles? I have 9. Count, there I have 1. And down the blue pole, I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. When I count all of them together, will be 1 plus 9 give you what? Give you 10. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. Lesson 109. Solve the problem below by making 10. Show your work and record your answers. Okay, here I have 5 plus 8. Okay, I want to make 10. How can I make 10? Now I have 5 and 8. How many fingers 5 need to become 10? It needs 5 fingers, right? So I will decompose 8 into 2 numbers. 5 and what? Give you 8, 5 and 3. Then add 5 with 5. 5 with 5 will be 10, right? 10 plus 3 equals 13. So write 13. Next one. Here I have 3 plus 9 equals what? First, I want to make 10. How can I make 10? How many fingers 9 need to be 10? It needs 1. So I separate 3 into 1 and 2. Okay? Then take 1 with 3. With 9, sorry. 1 with 9. 1 with 9, it will be what? It will be 10. Okay? Now, 10 with what? 10 with 2. 10 with 2 give you 12. Next one, here I have 6 plus 2. The two numbers are small, so I can't make 10. So I do what? I move 2 steps forward. I stop at 6, then move 2 steps forward. After 6, I have 7,